This dance is called Real Men Cry. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improver level line dance. Starting on the right foot, you're going to step the right back, touch the left in place, slightly bending the knee across the right. Then step back on the left, touch the right in place, again slightly bending that knee over the left. Then rock back on that right, recover your weight on the left, step forward on the right, cross the left over the right, and as you do so, you're going to actually make 1/8 of a turn to the left. That set of steps once more, back touch off on that right. 7, 8, back, touch, back, rock, step, cross. Now the choreographer has given you some optional styling steps, so when you do those touch steps right at the very start, if you wish, you can click your fingers at hip level. So you can do your back, touch and click, back, touch and click. Both sets of fingers. You're then going to chassé to the right, making a further 1/8 of a turn to the left on that very first step. So as you step that right to the side, you're basically going to square yourself up to the 9 o'clock wall, close side. Then step the left beside the right into a jazz box quarter turn with a cross. So you cross the right over the left, step back on that left, quarter turn to the right, cross that left over the right. You're then going to sweep the right forward. That set of steps once more, then chassé, squaring yourself up to the 9 o'clock wall off on the right. 7, 8, right, chassé, close, cross, back, turn, cross, sweep. Let's add that to the top. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8, back, touch, back, rock, step, cross. Right, chassé, close, cross, back, turn, cross, sweep. Into a little weave, so you're going to cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind, step the left to the side. Cross rock, right over left, recover your weight on that left, chassé to the right with a quarter turn on the end, side close, quarter turn. That set of steps once more, then weaving off on the right. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Let's add that to the top. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8, back, touch, back, rock, step, cross. Right, chassé, close, cross, back, turn, cross, sweep. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right. Then you're going into a back lock step, so you're actually going to put half a turn right on it to start with. So you can do that half a turn right, you step back on that left, lock that right over the left, then step back on the left again. So a half turning back lock step. Into a rocking chair, a reverse rocking chair. So you rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, rock forward on the right, and recover your weight on the left. End the dance when you get to that point. Now that set of steps once more then. Step pivot into that half back lock step. Off on the left. 7, 8, step, pivot, turn, lock, back, rocking chair. Now you have got the equivalent of a full turn in this section with that step pivot half and then your half turning lock step. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, instead of doing your step pivot half, just rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, and then instead of that turning lock step, just do a back lock with the left, back, lock, back, and then you can add on your rocking chair. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that full turn out in that section. So like I said, end of the dance at that point, let's put it all together. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8, back, touch, back, rock, step, cross. Right chasse, close, cross, back, turn, cross, sweep. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chasse, turn, step, pivot, half lock, back, rocking chair. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8, back, touch, back, rock, step, cross. Right chasse, close, cross, back, turn, cross, sweep. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chasse, turn, step, pivot, turn, lock, back, rocking chair. Back, touch, back, rock, step, cross. Right chasse, close, cross, back, turn, cross, sweep. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chasse, turn, step, pivot, half lock, back, rocking chair. Back, touch, back, rock, step, cross. Right chasse, close, cross, back, turn, cross, sweep. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chasse, turn, step, pivot, half lock, back, rocking chair. So hopefully you managed to follow that. That is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Back, touch, back, rock, step, cross, right chasse, close, cross, back, turn, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chasse, turn, step, pivot, half lock, back, rocking chair. Back, touch, rock, step, cross, right chasse, close, cross, back, turn, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chasse, turn, step, pivot, turn, back, rocking chair. Back, rock, step, cross, right chasse, close, cross, back, turn, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chasse, turn, step, pivot, half lock, back, rocking chair. Back, rock, step, cross, right chasse, close, cross, back, turn, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, cross,
Baby, please don't say goodbye yet. Who says a man don't
pivot, back touch, chassé, breathe, pivot, back touch, chassé, breathe, pivot, back touch,
Who says a man don't cry?
chassé,
Somebody gone and told you a lie. 'Cause
breathe,
I've been crying over you all night. Who says a man don't
pivot,
cry? Who says a man don't cry? I've been crying in my bed, crying in my bed, crying on the pillow where you used to lay your head. I'ma cry myself to sleep tonight. Who says a man don't cry? Sleep tonight. Who says a man don't cry?
hope you managed that one.